buddies, welcome back to BiharGeeks. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem that is based on the binary tree. So the problem is the binary tree right side view. So the problem statement here says that we have given a root of a binary tree. Imagine yourself standing on the right side of it and return the value of the nodes you can see ordered from the top to bottom. Okay, the problem statement here says that we have given a root and we have to return the right side view of the tree. Okay, as you see that the tree is this way, so we have to return this side, that the right side in a sequential manner. First the root, then after that the whatever the node is coming in the sequential in the level way. Okay, level wise we have to return. So I'm going to use the approach of recursion only here. The way we will going to return it. Okay, so we will start with the root area. Okay, and we will traverse the root in the right side, and the whatever the value we are getting, and straightway we are just kept inside a list. Okay, so we have to return the list of the integer only. Fine. So, by using this approach, we will have a complexity. We will have a complexity of O of n only because we are visiting each node once only, and the space complexity will be same exactly. That is O of h only. So, in the best case, it will be O of n. O of log n. But in the worst scenario, in that case, it will be O of n only. Okay. So let's start with the code. As you see that the tree part is already done, we have to write the actual code here. Fine. So first we have to check the base case here that the the node is or whatever the root is, it's empty or not. Okay. So to check it, or either we are using the concept of recursion. The first what we are going to do, we will create a result set here. Let me copy this, paste it here, and we kept the name as result only. Okay, equal to new array list. Right, now what we have to do, we just need to recursively call this. I'm keeping it here. It will be like a helper method for us. Okay, so inside this I will pass root comma the level and comma the result which we are giving. Right, and after that what we are going to do, we just simply return the result from here. Fine. Now we have to define this method. Let me enter it. We'll create the type of private, and it will be type of void name. Inside that, what we have to pass, first the tree node, and we'll keep it as node here, and then we will need a level. Keep it as a level, comma that the result set. I'm just copying this name from here. Okay, and paste it over here. Right. Now first we have to put a base condition here. Okay, what if the node is null? Okay, so in that case we just simply return equal to null. In that case we just simply return. Right, next we have to add if the first visit to the level. What we have to do, we just simply need to put we have to just simply add the node if first visit we are doing at the level. Okay, so if level is equal to result dot size, so in that case result dot add, and inside that we will put it the node value inside it. That will be the right side. Okay, now next we have to traverse. So we have to traverse towards the left. Okay, now as you see in this example we are returning only the right side, but in the left side, as you see that the 5 is also returning. Okay, so we have to traverse left side also. Okay, and in the left side we have to see what all are the nodes which are presenting in the right side. So that is also we have to keep in mind. So we will recursively call for the both cases, left and right both. Okay, so inside that we will keep node dot right comma level plus one. What we are going to do here, we just traverse the right subtree first to capture the rightmost. Okay, first we are doing that, comma, and inside that you will keep the result. Fine. Now, same we have to do it for the left. I'm just copying it and pasting it here. Fine. And instead of right, I have to keep the left here. Fine. Now this is done now. Okay, okay. Let me run this. Okay, it's got accepted. Let me run this. Okay, got submitted also. Okay, 100%. So as we already discussed the complexity that for the time complexity it will take like O of n only, and for the space complexity, if it's in the best case scenario, so it will be taking O log n only, but in the worst scenario, in that case it will take O of n. Okay, so that's it for the today. I hope it will be helpful for you. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.